Hello. Hi, how are you? I am good. How are you? I am fine too. Did you go to school today? Yes, I went. It was a nice day. Yes, it was good. What is your name? My name is Ria. Where do you live? I live in a small town. Do you like English? Yes, I am learning English. Very good. What do you do in free time? I like reading books. Do you play games? Yes, I play sometimes. That is nice. Thank you. How much is this?
It is 50 rupees.
I want 2 apples.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
What did you buy? Bought carrots and bread. What did you buy? I bought apples and oranges. Oh, nice. How much did you pay? I paid 50 rupees. And you? I paid 30 rupees. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Let's practice. Daily. Yes, I will practice. English is easy. Yes, step by step. Good job, thank you.